Hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel.
Hello friends, today let's make delicious and flavorful curry made with kidney beans, that is rajma. It is necessary to include lot of legumes regularly in our diet as they are the main source of protein and fiber. So let's see the recipe. I'm taking 1 cup rajma and will rinse them few times in lot of water. Pour fresh water and soak for at least 8 hours. I have soaked them in the night so that I can prepare curry in the morning. Now let's rinse them thoroughly before cooking. Put pressure cooker on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let them crackle and get browned. Add 1 cup finely chopped onions, stir and begin to saute them on medium heat. Keep on stirring the onions while sauteing them for uniform cooking. Saute them until light brown in color. Lower the heat and add ginger garlic paste. Stir and cook for 5 to 10 seconds on a low heat or until the raw aroma of ginger garlic paste goes away. Add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Add 2 teaspoons of Rajma Masala, which is the main ingredient in this recipe. Stir and fry the masala on low heat for 10 seconds. Add finely chopped tomatoes, mix very well. Saute on a medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. I am adding only half teaspoon chili powder, not to make it very spicy, so that kids can have more curry. They love to have rajma chawal and also rajma with chapatis if less spicy. Mix very well and add soaked rajma. Mix again very well. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Add 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Stir the whole rajma mixture very well. Add 1.5 glass of water. Stir it once and close the lid and let it cook on medium flame for 5 to 6 whistles. Once the pressure is gone, add coriander leaves and let it simmer on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Our Rajma Masala is ready and this will be the consistency of Rajma Masala. They must be tender and soft. The curry has to be of the right consistency, which is neither too thick nor too thin. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Please do subscribe to my channel for more of coming up videos. Click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.